Okay, so what if I told you that one of the most popular research tools out there is about to get an upgrade so huge it completely changes the game? Well, that's what's happening. Google is planning a radical overhaul for NotebookLM in 2026, and it's going to go from a helpful assistant to basically your own personal creative studio.
I mean, just think about it. You take a super dense PDF, a bunch of random web clippings, or even your own messy, rough notes, and in seconds, you turn it all into something polished and professional looking. And the best part? No design skills needed. You don't have to learn some complex new software. That's the incredible promise we're going to unpack in this explainer.
And this slide right here, it just says it all. Before, NotebookLM was a smart text summarizer. And don't get me wrong, that's great for finding answers in your documents. But now, it's a visual knowledge engine. The key difference is that it doesn't just process your information anymore. It actually designs it for you.
So how in the world does this all work? Let's dig into the details. The old summarization feature, that's still the foundation, right? But now it's basically the launchpad for a whole suite of seriously powerful creative tools.
The new command center for all of this is called the Studio panel. You can think of it as your one-stop shop for anything visual. Right from here, you can instantly spit out infographics, build entire slide decks, and even create animated video summaries, all pulled directly from your notes. And maybe the best part? It's all fully functional on your phone.
So how does this actually feel in practice? How does it become your own personal AI designer? Let's break down the specific tools, and you'll see a theme here. You get incredible power with almost zero effort. First up, we've got one-click infographics. And it's as simple as it sounds. You literally press a button, and all your complex, dense research gets transformed into a beautiful, easy-to-read visual summary. And we're not talking about just some bullet points here. We're talking a professionally designed layout just instantly.
And this is where it gets really, really fun. You have so much creative control through what they call style prompting. You can give it commands like, hey, make this look like sketch notes, or use a chalkboard classroom style. You can even get creative and say, give me a 90s retro gaming theme, or a really clean blueprint technical design. It understands visual language on a completely different level.
Now for presentations, the AI slide deck generator gives you two main options. On one hand, you've got the detailed deck. This is going to be perfect for documentation or reports that you can just email to someone. But then you have presenter slides, which are clean, minimal, and have just the key talking points. They're designed for you to be the star of the show when you're presenting live. Okay, look, if the design tools were impressive, this next feature is an absolute game changer. We're talking about the Deep Research Agent. This goes way, way beyond just visualizing info you already have. This is a massive leap in what an AI assistant can even do.
Just check out this workflow. You start by asking a really complex question. The AI then breaks that down all by itself, searches for the answers, puts together what it finds, and creates a structured report with citations from scratch. And the final step? You can instantly visualize that brand new report with a single click. How cool is that?
So here's the bottom line. Your workflow isn't just you and a tool anymore. The tool itself is now your research assistant, your data analyst, and your graphic designer all rolled into one. This isn't just about saving a little time. It's about seriously boosting your own capabilities.
Okay, this all sounds amazing in theory, right? But what does it actually mean for your day-to-day? Let's get practical and look at how different people can actually use this to make their lives a whole lot easier.
And this table here breaks it down perfectly. If you're a student, forget those all-nighters manually making flashcards. You can just generate visual summaries of your notes. For business owners, imagine turning dense market research into a clear strategy deck in just minutes. And if you're a content creator, oh man, this is a content multiplication machine, turning one piece of research into videos, carousels, you name it. All right, but let's be real, no new tech is perfect, right? So to give you the whole picture, we need to talk about the known limitations and, of course, the cost before we look ahead.
Yeah, it's important to be realistic here. People who've used it have reported some hiccups. You might get some weird, incorrect text showing up in the graphics, and some minor formatting glitches. So you should think of it as a brilliant first drafter. You might still need to jump in and do some manual edits to get that perfect final version.
So what's this going to cost you? Well, the basic features are expected to stay free, which is great. But for all the really advanced stuff we've been talking about, you're probably going to need a Google Workspace plan, and those start at around $14 a month.
And before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips to help you get much better results right out of the gate. To keep your designs from getting too cluttered, you can actually tell it to leave empty space. You can also get super specific. Just highlight a table in your notes and say, visualize this. And, like we saw earlier, the clearer and more descriptive you are with your style instructions, the better that final visual is going to look.
You know, this quote just nails the whole transformation. We have moved so far beyond a simple note-taking AI. NotebookLM is becoming this all-in-one creative partner. A researcher, a designer, and a presentation builder, all in a single tool.
And really, that brings us to the big question, doesn't it? When you have a tool this powerful and this integrated, is it going to fundamentally change how we all create and share information? I mean, could this actually replace the workflows we all know in tools like Canva and PowerPoint? Or is it going to create something entirely new? That's the really interesting question to think about as this tech starts to roll out.